कार का
Good morning, my dear students. As you know well, that the COVID-19 third phase is dangerously spreading throughout the world as well as India and Telangana also. So our Honorable Higher Education Minister as well as Honorable Dynamic Commissioner for Collegiate Education has given us a very good opportunity to prevent from COVID-19, to stay at home, and by PPT videos, by making the videos and uploading in YouTube, so that the students of government degree colleges throughout the state can have a benefit by these videos, and they should be prepared well, they should be known well about the subject and for the examination point of view. Once again, I thankful to one and all the said Telangana government, and first of all I introduce myself. I, Ratnadhade Prajna Kumar, lecturer in computer science, that is Department of Computer Science, working at Government Degree College Sciences at Adilabad. Direct come to the class, just C language. So the introduction, features of C language, basic structures of C language. Come to the another topics, header files, keywords, common codes for printf and scanf, global and local variables and constants, variable example, variables in C, like data type in C, comments in C, C format specifier, and so on. What is a C? C was originally developed in the 1970s by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Telephone Laboratories. C is a high level general purpose structures. General purpose structured programming language. C is a powerful language. C program is built from variables and type declarations, functions, statements, and expressions. C contains certain additional features that allow it C contains certain additional features that allows it to be used at a lower level, acting the high level languages. The C allows to be used for system programming as well as for application programming also. Here some features of C language. It is a simple language. C language machine independent or portable. Mid-level programming language. Structured programming language. It is structured programming language. And a rich library, memory management, fast speed, pointers, recursion as well as extensible. So here the basics of C programming. Basics of C programming. That is the structure, basic structure of C programming. Here hash, space, include in a greater than and a less than bracket inside stdio.h. This is a header file, and void space main empty bracket. It is a entry point of the program. Opening brace, it indicates start of the program, and the statements and the closing brace. This is the basic structure of C. It is very important in future also. And the next topic, header files. The files that are specified in the include section is called as header files. C is a lightweight language. Most of its intelligence is compartmentalized in libraries. Almost all C programs use the in double quoted stdio or standard input or output library. Some of the libraries which we can urgently are in double quoted math, 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 comma, time, time, and a string, comma, stdlib, standard library, that is extra etc library. Header files have .h extension. Come to simple C program. hash include space, hash include in a less than and greater than bracket stdio.h, that means double slash file include file including function declarations for a standard output input. Next line, void space main empty bracket space opening brace. In next line, printf in a bracket in double quoted hello world slash n, in double slash prints a message with a carriage return. Then in next line, return space 0, double slash return value of function end of program, then closing brace. The next point, that is keywords. Keywords are nothing but system defined identifiers. Keywords are reserved words of the language. Keywords are reserved words of language. They have specific meaning in the language and cannot be used by the programmer as variables or contents name, that is variables or constant names. C is case sensitive. It means these must be used as it is. (32) Keywords in C programming. Here, auto, double, int and struct. In this auto, we are having break, case, char, const, continue, default and do. In the double, else, enum, extern, float, for, go to and if. In int, long, register, return, short, signed, size of and static. And in struct, we are using switch, type def, union, unsigned, void, volatile and while. These are the keywords using in C. That is I/O in C, input and output in C. There are many functions that retrieve information or place information either to standard I/O input, output, or to files. Introduction to standard functions. Introducing two standard functions that are printf, which writes to standard output, scanf reads from the standard input. Both of these functions required formatting within the string using special character. Here, simple input output examples. Hash include in a less than or greater than bracket, within the bracket stdio.h. In next line, int space main null bracket opening brace. In next, char space ch comma. In next line, printf enter a character in double quoted, bracket is closed. Scanf that is in a bracket double quoted percentage of c comma ampersand ch, that is address of ch, in double slash read a char from std input in a bracket pass by reference. In a next line, printf in a bracket double quoted character read is percentage of c comma ch, bracket is closed. In a double slash prints character to standard output. Again in next line, double slash pass by value. In next line, returns 0 space 0. That is comma closing brace. This is the input output example, simple. Common codes for printf scanner. Character and string, that is percentage of c, that is character, percentage of s, that is a string in a bracket, must pass a pointer to array of character. Integers and long integers, that is percentage of d, that is integer, percentage of ld, that is long integer, percentage of x, hexadecimal integer, percentage of lx, hexadecimal long integer, percentage of u, unsigned integer, percentage of lu, that is unsigned long integer, floating point or double. Here percentage of f is a floating point in m dot n. percentage of E floating point in m dot n e plus or minus xx. There are more, but you can look those up if needed. These are the common codes for printf and scanf. The next topic is global and local variables and constants. Variables declared outside any scope are called global. They can be used by any function declared after them. Local variables only exist within their scope. They must be declared at the very beginning of the scope, stored on the stack, destroyed when scope ends. Prefer not to use global variables if possible. Too many naming conflicts can become confusing to follow in large program. Constants and usually declared globally. Use the const keyword. It is a global and local variables and constants. Here variable example. What is a variable? Here we are having an example. Int include stdio.h in a bracket, that is less than or greater than bracket. In next line, const space float space p1, p in a capital letter, that is equal to 3.14 double slash declaring a constant. Float space radius comma a double slash declaring a global variable should be done locally. Int space main empty bracket space open brace. In next line, float space area double slash declaring local variable. Printf in a bracket in double quotes, enter radius of a circle, bracket is closed. And in the next line, scanf in a bracket double quote, percentage of f comma ampersand radius, bracket is closed, comma. In next line, area is equal to p1, p is a capital, star radius, comma, and printf in a double quoted bracket in a double quoted area of circle with radius, percentage of f is percentage of f slash n front slash n double quoted comma radius comma area bracket is closed, comma return space 0 comma closing the bracket. This is the variable examination example. And hash defines, many programmer using hash define instead of declaring variables as constants. The entity being defined is called a macro. Hash define is a pre-compiler directive. It replaces each instant of the macro in the static code with its definition at compile time. Hash defined example. The next is variables in C. Rules for defining variables. A variables can have alphabet, comma, digits and underscore. A variable name can start with an alphabet and underscore only. It can't start with a digit. No white space is allowed within the variable name. A variable name must not be any reserved word or keyword, for example, int, float, etc. Here, data types in C. Data types in C is a basic, derived, enumeration and void. Here the types, data types, basic data type. Which type? Basic data type, in which data types are int, char, float and double. And in derived data type, the data types are array, comma, pointer, comma, structure, comma, union. In a types enumeration data type, the data type is enum. For the void data type, the data type is void. So, my dear students, today the class is completed. I hope that you are listening very carefully. By listening, you have to write the important points and make practice until your success. And you have to prepare for your examination point of view. Once again, I thankful to our government of Telangana, the Honorable Minister for Higher Education, as well as the Honorable Commissioner, Dynamic Commissioner for Collegiate Education, for giving us a stay at home and making these PPTs, videos and uploading for the benefit of the student and from avoiding from COVID-19 third wave. Thank you. Thank you. And I wish all the best for the students for examination time. Thank you.